y'all, it's your girl Charlene and I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and follow your girl. I do post weekly videos, so stay tuned for that. This video I show you guys how I got this back to school makeup look. You know, school's around the corner. School here in Florida starts on Wednesday, so school starts on Wednesday, so I thought I would show you guys how I got this really natural glowy makeup that will last all day using drugstore products. Yes, so it's really nice and glowy for the first day of school. Makeup that will last all day. You know, you don't want to go too crazy, like you don't want to hurt them just yet, like school just started. But I'm so stupid. But if you guys want to see how I achieve this natural back to school dark girl friendly, you know, black girl friendly, you know, what am I, oily combination friendly makeup that will last all day, stay tuned, okay? And make sure you subscribe. Okay, that was so weak. Like, I'm trying so hard to do that. Okay, this is why I didn't pass Spanish classes. I couldn't roll my R's properly. Well, that wasn't the only reason. But if you guys want to see how I got this makeup look, please stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna go ahead and do is moisturize our face. And to moisturize my face, I'm gonna be using the Neutrogena oil-free moisture with sunscreen, and it has SPF 15, which is very good if you're going back to school. You want to make sure, you know, your skin is being protected from the sun all throughout the day, you know. So we're gonna go ahead and use a little, like one pump is fine, and put that all over our face. And then we're just gonna put it all in. To prep our skin, we're gonna go in with the Black Radiance True Complexion HD Primer. This one also has SPF 15 and it's oil free. So I'm gonna go in with like a little bit, like. I only put the primer like in my T-zones where like I'm prone to get oily and stuff throughout the day. Okay, this is one. Now, when I was in high school, I didn't really wear makeup like that. I'm not gonna lie, but I know nowadays like things have changed completely. I didn't really wear makeup every day. Like, I didn't even like know anything about foundation or anything. All I wore in high school was like eyeliner, and I think I wore chapstick. I didn't even wear lip gloss because I was just so scared of that. I tried wearing eyeshadow one time during my 9th grade year, and I didn't prime. I just put that yellow eyeshadow on, and I thought I was the ish in the toilet paper. Oh my god, it's just so funny how things have changed. Yes, so now that the primer is setting in, the foundation we're going to be using today is a foundation that's very affordable. It is none other than the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I am in the shade 370. I also have the Maybelline Super Stay. Now this one is full coverage, and it has like a up to 24 hour wear. But this one, we're gonna mix it together because this one is matte and poreless, and this one is 24 hours. So we're gonna mix these two up, okay? You know, we're trying to have like a nice and glowy foundation, but we're not trying to be caked up like by the time you go to second period you're oily. No, we want to be fresh all day. Okay, that was a weak. Okay, I can't do it. Brush, I'm gonna go in with my Real Techniques brush. I think this is like the foundation brush, I'm not sure. So we're gonna go ahead and spray that. Let's get to mixing the foundation. Sometimes for foundation I will use a beauty blender, and sometimes I use a brush. It's gonna take you no more than like 20 minutes to do your makeup for school. That just means you're gonna have to sacrifice your sleep so your face could be beat. Okay. Now, when I was in school, I did not sacrifice my sleep so my face could be beat. Okay, no, I just couldn't do it. All right, so now that our foundation is all in, This is how it's looking. I'm going with our eyebrows, okay? And I don't have any drugstore eyebrow product, so I usually do use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. That's the one I use in the shade, which one? I'm Ebony. No, I don't know any drugstore eyebrow pencil that's like amazing. There was one that was like really good, but like now that I try to go and find it, like I can't find it. So we're gonna go ahead and brush our eyebrows. Alright, so as you guys can hear, it's raining outside, so I don't have natural lighting anymore, so we're bringing our artificial light in. So you can kind of see it here, but don't mind it because we're just trying to do what we can. Okay, so I just finished my eyebrows. I'm not really liking how they're looking today, but that's the beauty of makeup, because some days your eyebrows will look better than most days. But you know, when you're getting ready for school, you don't have time to take it off and do it all over again. So we're gonna continue. We're going to go ahead and conceal, and we're gonna use the same concealer that we did for our we're gonna go ahead and use the same concealer that we use for our eyebrows. Now this concealer is only like $2.99, okay, and it is so good. We're gonna go ahead and use a damp beauty blender. Now that we have put on our concealer, not to like, but just to, you know, like a little slight something light. We don't want to hurt them on the first day of school, okay? Now I'm gonna go ahead and go with my Maybelline Fit Me loose powder and deep 35, and use the same beauty blender, and then just set our under eye, set where we had our concealer. It's okay if it's on your hair, we're gonna fix that later. So now we're gonna let that bake for a few minutes, and while it is, we're gonna go ahead and use Real Techniques contour brush. We're gonna go ahead and go with our Black Radiance True Complexion contour palette. This is the medium to dark. You can see I like it so much that it is almost done, and it has like the contour, the scope, and the highlight. The highlight on this one is really good too, so if you want to use it, you can. And then just slightly y'all see that? A slight contour. We're gonna go ahead and do it this one too. Sorry. Don't get close. I'm going ahead and see. Do y'all see that? They're gonna be like, sus, you got slim. You got slim this summer. You got slim. Your face looking slim. You're gonna be like, thank you. I'm so sorry that I keep looking this way. Like, I don't know. I don't know how to look that way. But I'm gonna try, okay? I'm gonna try. I'm sorry. But my face is looking good. We're gonna go ahead and go with the Maybelline New York, the City Mini palette, the one that was in collab with Shayla. You guys, when this thing came out, like, I used it every day. Like, it's really good. Use this shade. It's like a neutral brownish shade, and we're just gonna put that all over our lid, okay? And I'm using it's my Ray Ray brush. You guys can get this brush set, I think, from BH Cosmetics. Really cheap and like really effective. So we're gonna use that and just put that all over our lid. Do y'all see that? Just like something nice and nude. And if you want to add like a little bit of shimmer, we're gonna do that. You know, we're not gonna hurt them, but just like a little bit of shimmer. We're gonna use this one right here, and then just like a little bit, like dab, tap, and then just put that all over your lids as well. Just a little bit, just a little bit, you know, just a little bit, just to. You see, I'm not even good with eyeshadow, but just like a little bit, just to make you look like you did something, We have the ColourPop No Filter Pressed Powder. Now I've been using this ColourPop No Filter powder like every day. We're gonna go ahead, set our face with this powder. to set our face, we're gonna use the Milani Make It Last setting spray. It's a 16-hour wear. Go ahead and go on some blush, and this is from Wet n Wild. It's the Mellow Wine. I love this blush. It's really good for dark skin. Like, it looks really amazing on dark skin. Use a little bit. I haven't worn blush in forever, but because it's the first day of school, we're gonna wear blush. Okay, go ahead and use that blush above your contour line. I don't know. Now we're gonna go ahead and go with our highlight, and this highlight is like the best highlight in drugstore world ever. Like, it's the best highlight. Okay, none other than the Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter. I'm just gonna highlight our face. Do y'all see this? Y'all see it? It's really amazing. It's really cute. What?
Are you recording?
Yes, Carbon.
Who's the chicken for?
What chicken? It's for anybody.
I don't
I see the nose. Whoever wants it could take it.
Edit this out.
I will not edit this out. Close my door, please.
Shirley, I swear if I see this, I'm reporting you.
Close my door, please. Okay, so, you know, we have to get our nose, okay? Because our nose gotta be shiny. We're gonna go with a little more highlight because why not? It's the first day of school, right? Then we're gonna put a little bit on our forehead, just a little bit, and then some down here. We're gonna go ahead with some lashes. Now, if you like to wear lashes, you can. If you don't, you could just go like this. This is how I go to work every day, just like this. If you want to wear lashes, you can. If you want our mascara, you can. We're gonna go in with the coat of mascara. We're gonna go ahead and use, these lashes are from the beauty supply store. These are called Broadway lashes, and I told my sister, I was like, pick the most natural looking lashes, and she's in high school, so she thinks these are the most natural looking lashes, so I'm not gonna fight against that. We're gonna go ahead and use that. Okay, so we have our lashes on, and they look super duper natural that you can't even tell that I have lashes on. But if you wanted to make them pop a little bit more, you can go ahead and go with your mascara, which is what we're gonna do for the sake of the video. Just put a little bit more, put some mascara so your lashes could blend in with it. Lashes are done, so now we're gonna go ahead and finish it off and do our lips. We're gonna go ahead and go with our Kiss Professional Lip Liner. This is in the shade Dark Brown. I use this all the time because I just like it, and it's like a $2 or $1 from the beauty supply store, and it works really well. So we're gonna go ahead and line our lips with it. We're gonna go ahead and go with our NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Madline. I don't know which one has, I think one of them is like empty. I don't know which one, so I just have both of them with me, and we're just gonna use that in the middle of our lips. And then all over. So we're just gonna use my Wet n Wild Mega Liner just to highlight some of my little beauty marks on my face. So I'm gonna go ahead and set my face one more time just so everything can be like, you know, good. It smells really good. Like, it smells so good. And this is our face, like nice and fresh and ready for the first day of school, for the second day of school, for the third day of school, you know, just something really light, something slight, and something that, you know, your face looks nice and glowy and you'll be able to wear this all day. I'm gonna go ahead and do my hair and I will be back. So this is pretty much it for my, oh sorry, okay, so this is pretty much it for my back to school makeup look. Something just really light and simple, and you know, to get you have your skin looking popping. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, turn on that bell notification. I post weekly videos about just everything, kind of, sort of, but subscribe so you can see for yourself. And I'll see you guys in my next video.